All right, here's a good question. It says, paired data below consists of years experience for year seller. By using linear regression in decimals or a graphing calculator, decimals a little easier, determine the function that describes the pattern. So I have to write a function, and since it's linear, it has to be y equals mx plus b. So I need to determine what the slope and the y-intercept are based on this pattern down here. And then it says, what if somebody's newly hired that has 12 years of experience, so over here 12, and what should be their starting salary? Is that what it is? Yeah, yearly salary. That's a whole lot of money for 8 years of experience. Okay, so let's go into decimals and try this. So I've got decimals down here, and let me plug in a number. So to get a table, I have to hit this plus sign and hit table. And then the X1, that'll be the year. So year 1 is 1. Y1 will be how much money they make during that year. So year 2, 39,891. Year 3, 6,150. Year 4, 794. Year 5, year 6, year 7, 273, and year 8, 3,812. There. So I have all the data in, and now I have to input the formula in decimals that tells it that I want it to generate some kind of line based on that data. And here's how you do it. You have to hit Y1. So that's when you look above there, there's a Y1 in the table. So it's referencing that. And then to tell it that you're wanting it to do this modeling, you have to put a tilde in. It's sort of like the wavy line. I think you get it from hitting the ABC and see the wavy line right there. Okay, I don't want two wavies, I just want one. But it's down there on the bottom right. Okay, so Y1, tilde, and then I do the mx plus b. So mx, but the x has to be from that x up there, so I use x1 plus b. And that's all there is to it. So once I have created that line, I'm looking, and I can't really, I see a line there on the graph, but it's like, I guess I'm going up to 39,000, 113,000. Those are quite large. Maybe let me change my view. So my smallest x value is 1, and my largest x value is about 8. So I'll put 8 there. For the y-axis, the smallest money is 39,000. So I'll go 39,000 approximately. Whoops. 39,000. And then the highest number is 113,000. Call it 114,000. There. Okay, so there's my data there. And you can see that it sort of follows a linear pattern. It's increasing. The wage is increasing for every year. Okay, so now I look down here at the bottom and it tells me what the function is. So I'm going to write that off to the side here. So it should be y equals mx plus b. And they say that m should be 11,009. 1009.5 x plus the b value is 21,361. I'll just round that. Okay, so this function then describes that pattern. And once I have that function, then I can answer questions based on if they give me an x value or a y value. They say how much money, that'll be y. When I've had 12 years of experience, that'll be x. So to solve for y, I can go 11,009.5 times by 12 plus 21,361. So if I figure that out on my calculator, it'll give me 150, I forget what the number was, 1,000 and something. It'll give me what their wage should be if they have 12 years of experience. Okay, hopefully that makes some sense. On the test, there'll be one like that one. Maybe I won't have as big a numbers, but there'll also be a quadratic function one too.